It's Ashley from Sweet Dreams Bake Shop, and welcome to Fail Friday, the series in which I fix your baking fails, my baking fails, or I tell you how to avoid a fail. So the other day I was experimenting with my donut pan. If you guys have been watching my videos, you know I've been kind of obsessed with it lately, and I had a failed donut recipe. I was trying to do something new and fun. So it didn't bake up properly, but no worries. I just mushed up that cake, and my batter was actually a little bit moist, so I added some coconut to it. So if your batter is too moist, add something to it like a cookie crumb or more cake or whatever you have available. And if it is too dry, then go ahead and add some buttercream or ganache. Then I rolled it into balls and I placed it in the fridge. I do like to place them in the fridge rather than the freezer just because I find when I try and dip them after they come out of the freezer, I get a lot of cracking going on. So I like to leave them in the fridge for a couple hours. Today I'm using some pink candy melts. Now if you don't like the color of pink that the candy melts come in, you can definitely mix it with some more white candy melts, or you can also just get white candy melts and dye them with a fat dispersible color. If you're finding that your candy melts are too thick, then you can add just a little bit of vegetable oil to thin out that chocolate so that everything is nice and smooth. I like to leave my cake pop just for a few seconds before I actually apply the sprinkles on there, especially if it is freshly warmed, because sometimes I find that when I try to add the sprinkles on, then everything starts slipping off too quickly. So you want to get it to a point where it's kind of tacky, but not fully opaque yet. Alternatively, you could just as easily make these into cakesicles, which I find are super trendy right now as well. And if you don't have a cake pop stand like I do, you can just flip your cake pops over and they can just stand up that way. Now, the purpose of this video isn't really to give you a full-on cake pop tutorial. If you want to see that, you can go ahead and check out this video in the right-hand corner. I'm more so showing you how to make sure that you're using up every single little bit of ingredient at your bakery so that you're not wasting a thing. So if this were me, I would definitely make these a stock order for quick sale, meaning they're going to be a lot cheaper than your average cake pop. This is also a great way to use up all of those sprinkle mixes that you might have used for a specific cake request. Hopefully you get some of that profit back and you'll be able to avoid any waste at your bakery. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can be part of the Sweetie fam. Right now, I'm uploading weekly, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I upload. Also, be sure to comment, request, or ask a question. I love hearing from you guys. Bye!